Hello and welcome to HIT 211. We are in medical legal aspects in HIM. I'm going to show you quickly how to get to your e-text if you choose to use that. So when you're in your first page, you're going to go here to Content. Under Content, you should go to the Start Here Syllabus module. And if you scroll down right under Required Materials, you will find the e-text. From here, you're going to click on the BNC First Day. This takes a little bit to load, but when it does, you will be able to scroll down. There is your book. You're going to hit Read Now. And it should take you to the reader, which is through Yuzu, yuzu.com. And right here, your book will pop up and you can go right to your chapters from here. So that is how you find the e-text. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Thank you.